Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about the fact that it's difficult to have people trusting Microsoft when Microsoft does dumb things that they don't really explain well, or do it in a way that it's almost, a scam, basically. And we've got a great example of an app that is available through the Microsoft Store, and I would recommend to stay away from it. So, Microsoft has released its Bing Wallpaper app. And it says Bing Wallpaper includes a collection of beautiful images from around the world that have been featured on the Bing homepage, and so on. So, the idea behind it first starts nice. Oh, you want to have some beautiful wallpapers in the background? Yeah, you can download this. Well, no, I recommend that you do not. And it comes from the fact that a Twitter user called Rafael Rivera has started looking into the app itself. So first of all, it doesn't cost $50. There's some YouTuber that said, oh, it's $50 a year to use or whatever. Nope. But it actually snoops a lot. So not only does it give you beautiful pictures under the hood without you really noticing anything, it will look into your cookies, your favorites, whatever browser you're using. It's Firefox, Edge, and so on. It also adds a little more of these little pop-ups of, oh, you should be using Microsoft Edge, which is so much better than what you're using now, or so on. So basically, it's borderline adware and scooping of data disguised as a wallpaper app. And this means you should really not at all download this. So stay away from the Bing Wallpaper app. Do like I do, which is a better way, and that doesn't, snoop or anything. Just go to the themes page and check for a themes. There are several pictures that are in the themes section of the Microsoft Store. Rather than doing this, of course, you can also manually download images and put them as wallpapers on your own desktop. The idea behind apps like the Bing Wallpaper are nice because it changes your pictures without you having to do much. But unfortunately, this app is borderline adware, so stay away from it for sure. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.